how to buy Gary token. So this token came under the symbol of G. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money also in crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Found your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token just created 2 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token created under this X account, as you can see. So this X post, they said that when the world needs his most, he vanished. So you can go and check this post. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. But before that, as you can see, this token trending number 2 on Solana section, and the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple, as just I said. Click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fund wallet for that and click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see here. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to put all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customize, because most of issues, as you know, it came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy G token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.